The Acoem AT-400 is a state-of-the-art tool designed for virtually any shaft alignment scenario. This comprehensive solution empowers users to align rotating equipment with flexibility, confidence, and precision. Equipped with 2-axis PSD alignment sensors, the 20 by 20 mm detectors simultaneously measure horizontal and vertical measurements while offering a high resolution of 0.001 millimeters. The M9 and S9 are lightweight and feature a lengthy 20-meter measurement range. Both sensors include a thoughtfully designed sliding cover for the charging ports and detectors to ensure the product stays protected when stored or not in use. Additionally, each sensor includes a top display to show a real-time reading of its angle on the shaft. At the heart of the Acoem AT-400 lies the revolutionary GuideU graphical user interface. The patented UI consists of a customizable, icon-driven and color-coded display system that makes measuring, aligning, and reporting simple. Realistic machine graphics and animated help screens make it so that human error is minimized. Within the 2-axis horizontal shaft alignment application are 7 unique methods for measuring misalignment. For example, with the dual sweep method, you can quickly and easily obtain readings with a single rotation of the shaft. Or with the dual multi-point method, you can record measurements from multiple points, from any position on the rotation. What makes the Acoem AT-400 comprehensive is its multitude of machinery alignment programs. Paired with the M9 sensor, the optional T21 transmitter brings geometric measurement capabilities to the Acoem AT-400. The flatness program uses a laser plane as reference to measure the deviation in distance in relation to the measurement object. Both bar view and topographic views will assist in visualizing rectangular flatness. Supplied with cloud connectivity, users can effortlessly upload alignment reports to Acoem's proprietary web portal. This allows for seamless data management and easy access to alignment records for analysis and comparison. Purpose-built by and for the individuals who keep machinery running, the Acoem AT-400 is an extensive solution for tackling any machine alignment problem. To schedule a free demo or request more information, please visit fixturelaser.com/AT400.